Are you having trouble sleeping? Check this out. This is possibly the world's smallest sound machine. To turn it on, you long press the start button, and then it has a timer. You can set it for 30, 60, or 90-minute intervals, or you could set it for continual play. There's a volume selection. It's rechargeable, and it comes with the charging cord. Let's try it out. These are going to make a great stocking stuffer, and right now they're in the TikTok shop for under $9. Tap that cart below, grab yours before they sell out. You get your choice of color.